Hi writers! How's everyone doing today? So nice job with your brainstorming and your drawings of your immediate family as well as your three facts. What you're going to do today, boys and girls, is you will be capturing the reader's attention here with your informational writing piece. Now, if you can remember, boys and girls, with your opinion writing piece, we captured the reader's attention by asking a question. Today, boys and girls, you have a couple of choices. You can do the same thing where you ask a question, or you can also state a fact about your immediate family. So today, boys and girls, you're writing on a piece of paper that Mrs. Spiza gave you, the one without the box, please. I'd like you to write your hook for capturing the reader's attention first. You can also look at the Google Doc that Mrs. Spiza sent you to get ideas as well too. So let me show you what to do first. You're going to click on the assignment and click on the Google Doc here, boys and girls. Once you click on that, you will have a Google Doc that says 2L informational hooks. Again, you can look at this Google Doc as much as you would like to, but I would really urge and strongly encourage that everyone writes your hook first and then types it. Again, you're writing your hook first, then typing it up. The directions on what to do today, though, are in the Google Doc here. Again, the name is 2L Informational Hooks. It says here, hi writers, for writing today, I would like you to share your opening for your informational writing piece. Again, think about how you can capture the reader's attention. We want to hook the reader into your informational writing piece. And I gave two examples on how you can capture the reader's attention here, boys and girls. Writers can capture the reader's attention by writing a surprising fact about your family. And Miss Spiza wrote here that in my family, everyone enjoys pasta, including Miss Spiza and Des, just a little bit. Another way I'm capturing the reader's attention is by asking a question. Have you ever or did you know? And I have another example here. Did you ever meet a family where everyone had braces? Myself and Vinny, we've both had braces when we were younger. So your directions are in pink here. Once you finish writing your hook on the paper, again, you're writing it first down on the hard paper, then you are going to go to this Google Doc. You need to find your name. Everything here is in number order, boys and girls. Once you find your name, I'd like you to please type your hook for capturing the reader's attention. Here's Miss Spiza's example. Have you ever met a family where everyone is a black belt in either Taekwondo or Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu? Which is a fact. It's true. I'm a black belt and my husband is a black belt as well. So again, you need to find your name here. It's all in number order, so you can look for your number. If you know you are a higher number or a greater number, I would suggest just scrolling down to the bottom here. And again, you can find your number here. Please type your hook or your capturing the reader's attention. I would also urge that you boys and girls go back once you're done and make sure that you have capital letter and correct punctuation as well. So boys and girls, today, again, all you're doing is you are taking your paper that Miss Spiza gave you. That's the first direction. I would like you to write your hook first. Then I want you to go to the Google Docs and please, in your name area, please type in your hook. Please be considerate and respectful of our other friends here. Do not go on their hook or their capturing the reader's attention. Myself and Miss Samisi can see everything that you boys and girls are working on, so we want to make sure that you are doing a correct job. Any questions, please let us know. Have a great day. Bye, boys and girls.